Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sana Fareshta here, periodontist and a laser specialist from India, Mumbai. And today we are going to talk about smile designing. So who all need smile designing? People who have crooked teeth, people who have gaps between the teeth, and those crooked teeth and a space between the teeth has not been treated in their childhood. And now they are not ready to go and wear the braces. They are the right candidate for smile designing. Now the other question is whether smile designing and smile makeover are different. No, they are exactly the same. But somebody used this fancy term as smile designing and someone used smile makeover. So what is the difference between the normal smile designing and what I do, that is laser smile designing? So in laser smile designing, we design the gummy smile with the help of the laser. In that, you don't have to undergo any surgery. Surgery means that you will not have any sutures, like no sutures, and also very less chance or minimum chance to give you anesthesia. Immediately after smile designing, we can proceed with the treatment with the tooth because we don't have to wait for the healing of the gums to occur. Neither we have to wait for 7 days or 10 days for the suture removal. So this is a fast procedure and little painless. Also, after the procedure has been done with laser, you are not going to take any antibiotic because that laser is going to take care of it. So less medicine and there will be absolutely no swelling. So from the very next day of the smile designing, you can go back and start your work. So that's why that is called as techno-savvy technology. Also, in our smile designing, what we do is we use scanners for the impressions. Like, I don't know how many of you have been undergone the impression trays and the material inside your mouth and which make you feel very gag, like pukish. So when we use a scanner, we just scan it entirely and you can see the 3D image of it immediately after, which is very quick and again techno-savvy and very advanced. So that's the difference between what smile makeover we are doing, and we call it as laser smile designing or laser smile makeover. So you must be asking who are the right candidate to go for smile designing procedure. People who have a marriage and they want to look amazing in front of the camera. People who are facing the camera and their director and their producer complaining about the crooked teeth, or maybe that's only one thing which is not looking great when it comes to you facing the camera. They are the right people. Also, you might ask me how long it takes. So minimum maybe the 2 sittings, or maximum maybe 4 to 5 sittings. This is what is required for a smile designing. So if you give me 4 days, I'll give you amazing smile. Now, the real point is how much it costs. Is it good for your pocket or not? So it depends upon how much teeth that needs to be included in the smile designing and also how much of gums. And the gum work and the teeth work both together decide the cost of the smile designing. But approximately it starts from 50,000 to 2 lakhs and so on.